Hey yo, welcome back to another video. Today I'm out here ganging. It's dark outside and well, that's not normally my house. This is my house right here. So I live across my cousin's house. And it's fucking cold. So I'll meet you inside in about 20 hours. 20 hours in like 5 minutes. Fuck, bro. Didn't work. You guys, I'm in my house. Ooh. What the fuck am I supposed to do? Fucking hurt. So I'm gonna go to the restroom and I'll meet you there about a minute. So I just got out the restroom. I gotta charge my camera right now. So I'll see you in about 2 hours. 2 hours. Peace. So I'm back. I got the the camera charger. And I'll see you in about 15 or 16 minutes when the cell phone can charge. So the camera can charge in 3, 2, 1. Peace. So yo, that is I'm gonna tell y'all something y'all never know. Do you hear that? And nobody. So you guys, it's getting strange. So I'm gonna end the video here because I gotta figure out what the fuck is going on. So Best Buy. So see what's wrong and about 5 minutes, 10 minutes. Just gonna watch the TV. So guys, I just turned on the TV and it's still going and I'm watching Big Hero 6.
Let him go. Is this what Abigail would have wanted? Abigail is gone. This won't change anything. Trust me. I know.
Look, it's about to end. See?
Please, let me go. I'll give you anything you want.
24 minutes. 24 minutes left. Fuck it, bro, I have a longest time not seen Big Hero 6. I hate Big Hero 6. So guys, so the sound is still there. I'm getting fucking annoying about it, and so I might leave the video here to see what the fuck is going on. I'm gonna edit it, and then I'm gonna do a part 2. So get ready for the part 2. Let's see if the noise stops, and if it doesn't, well, we'll see about that. Because I'm getting tired of this shit. and see you in the part 2. So see you in the part 2, and I hope you enjoyed this video, and see you in the part 2 of the vlog. Okay, peace.